Welcome to another unboxing. This time it's the ASUS ROG STRIX 1000 watt Platinum power supply. This is the UK model. It cost me £190 and I should get £25 cash back via the ASUS Rate Your Gear promotion. My unit arrived shrink wrapped, so let's get the plastic off first. On the back of the box you have some details about the power supply. And on the bottom you have some specs, a list of included cables, and the usual serial number, barcodes and whatnot. My unit was made in China. Let's open it up. First up is a set of stickers. There are a few bits in here, so let's get them out. We have a quick start guide, 3 Velcro cable ties, 10 plastic cable ties and 6 screws for some reason, a 20% off cable mod voucher, and some information about how not to start a fire. Under here we have the power supply itself. It's relatively compact. I'll just show you all sides of it. In this bag we have all the modular cables. I'll just get all of those out and we can have a closer look in a second. Here's a closer look at those cables. You have one Molex cable with 3 connectors, 2 SATA cables each with 3 connectors, 2 4+4 pin CPU cables, both a UK kettle lead and a 2-pin European power cable, an ATX motherboard power cable, a 12V 2x6 cable with the additional GPU sense voltage stabilization connector on the PSU side, and 4 6+2 pin PCIe cables. Here's a little close-up of one of those. Here's the power supply installed in my case. All seems to be working well. Because I have mounted it to draw air in from underneath my case, it kinda looks like it's upside down. And that is it for this unboxing. If you found this useful, then do let me know by leaving a comment so I know whether to make any more videos.